First of all, I'll miss the campus, obviously. It's so beautiful and in the middle of the mountains, and the environment and everything is so beautiful that I will never, I miss that a lot.
The connections that I made here, the friends, the seniors, and obviously the faculties, they are still connected with me on LinkedIn. I could text them any day and they would reply to me.
I think most memorable has to be winning the Novus Moot Court competition and the Intra Moot Court competition back to back. It was such a high for all of the team members, and I think that would always remain as one of the most memorable moments for me.
From hilly bike rides to hilly car rides to Maggie Point in Bidoli to every other small joint in Kandoli, UPS has been a great ride. And if I have to count down to one particular memory, that would be a little hard. But yes, everything from the weather to the campus has been beautiful.
When I first entered the doors of UPS, I was not really sure about the future and the career. But after numerous amount of internships and trainings abroad and in India, I'm really clear about the future and the career which lies ahead.
I think this is the most memorable moment for me in UPS School of Law, Dehradun, because this is what I was dreaming of.
UPS, the University of Tomorrow, really prepared me from what I am experiencing today, because the tools that I got to learn while studying here is helping me write, shoot videos and film, three of my favorite things in the career that I've chosen to.
The most memorable moment I had at UPES when my school SHST provided me with the opportunity to study at the University of Queensland, Australia for my Masters.
My memorable moment at UPS has been making new friends and all the fests that I have been a part of.
Definitely being awarded the gold medal. I really didn't think this would happen, and it's something that I worked really hard for, so I'm really proud, and this is definitely the most memorable moment for me.
UPS has given me the mix of balance that every student needs in order to conquer the world. It is the practical knowledge along with the experience that we were given in the form of internship, in the form of projects, and everything else has helped me personally be ready for the future.